Good day to all the brokers watching this. I am Mr. Jordan Lim, a real estate broker.
And I am Arjay Cruz, a real estate salesperson.
Today we'll be talking about the newly developed website made specifically for brokers, for real estate brokers. This website has the potential to bring together the brokers from across the country into one platform. So without further ado, let me present to you the Brokers Graph.
The real estate industry is always evolving. That's why we sought to find new innovative ways to cope with the fast-changing pace of the market. From that ambition, the Broker Graph was born.
Bringing together brokers from across the country into one network, providing superior service with mutual cooperation at its core, thus creating the foundation for a new avenue of selling and marketing real estate in the Philippines.
At its helm is our team of highly proficient real estate professionals which together amalgamate over 20 years of industry experience. Together, we are excited to provide you with premium properties and a service like no others.
Now, you must be asking yourself, what makes this website different from other listing websites? Well, our team of highly skilled developers created this website with the user's convenience in mind, making old strenuous tasks a thing of the past. So let's go through some of these features that make up this website.
First off, we want to mention that this website is absolutely free to use. Now, if you want to access some of our more exclusive content, you may be required to sign up as one of our members. But don't worry, like we said before, signing up takes only a few minutes to accomplish and is completely free. Just fill up all the necessary information and you're good to go. Upon registration, you may be prompted to log into your new account, after which you may now enter the broker's key.
Upon entering, you'll be greeted with the sight of our modern, sleek design newsfeed. Here, you can see the posts of all other members of the site. You can also interact with them by leaving a comment on their post, as well as viewing the latest properties available on the platform. The newsfeed also provides some news regarding real estate in the country from reputable sources. But if you're looking for something specific, the newsfeed also has a quick search system which allows users to search the entire platform for their desired content.
Now, let's move on to the heart and soul of this website, which is the properties. Here, whether you're a member or not, you'll be granted access to this page. You can find all sorts of properties in here, and when you find something that interests you, you can click on it and see its full details. And if you want to know more about the property, you could always message the property brokers yourself. But note, only members will be allowed to see the broker's information and be able to interact with them through our messaging feature.
Speaking of messages, the platform also allows its members to send direct messages to other members. By doing so, we hope to create a vibrant community for all brokers and members to freely share, connect, and interact with one another.
Now, you must be asking yourself, how do we get our own units in the property page? Well, if you're a member, you'll be able to add properties with just 3 easy steps.
As you've seen earlier in this video, after adding the properties to the platform, you'll be prompted to go to the listing page, where you can view all your properties you've listed so far. Here, you can sort your properties to your desired arrangement, view your actual listing, as well as edit the details of your properties and delete them if you wish. And if you ever lose sight of one of your listings, You can just easily search for them using the search feature in the listing page.
Now, let's move on to the profile page. Like any profile page, here you can view and edit your information, change your profile picture, and even change your name. You can also reset your password and view all previous posts and histories. So as you can see, it is very easy and simple to use.
Now let's answer some frequently asked questions.
Is there any way to increase the listing stat of a member?
For additional slots, you may request by sending us email at team@brokersground.com.
Can we buy ad space on Brokersground?
Yes, you may. Please email us your requirements at team@brokersground.com.
Can we post for this unit on this platform?
Unfortunately, for now, no. Currently, we want to concentrate our efforts on marketing for sale properties first. But in the future, we do have plans on making this platform open to both for lease and for sale properties.
How many slots does a free account have?
For a free account, users can get a maximum of 5 slots. But if you sign up today, you can get 3 slots for free. Additional 3 slots for free. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and YouTube. And don't forget to register on brokersground.com.
And again, my name is Arjay Cruz.
And my name is Jordan Lim.
Bye.
Bye.